Hello again, traders. Right, this video is really a pep talk video, and I wanted to make it as my sort of last recent video on YouTube because I'm taking a break from social media. I've done, I think, everything I can to sort of promote thinking outside the box, keeping things as simple as possible, trusting the candlestick analysis, trusting statistical analysis, and developing your own method, really. You know, I've proved, I think, beyond a shadow of a doubt, this method can be traded on everything: stocks, indices, currency pairs, lumber, oil, you name it, every commodity, gold, silver, in the exact same way. And it's important. I think that message is massively important, and also the fact that the charts are fractal, also the fact that it doesn't matter what chart you're trading, you can trade everyone in the same way. And I think by accepting that the charts have acted in the same way for hundreds of years, literally back to the mid 1800s, 17th century, and 18th century, should I say, rather, the tulip situation, as with these cryptos now, everything works in exactly the same way. And in my opinion, if you take on board that these things here, these instruments, are just tools for the ultra wealthy institutions to manipulate price, then the better you will trade, in my opinion. So detach yourself from the fact that this is BTC or ETH or gold or pound yen, and these other indices here, DAX, US 30 and US Tech. The only reason I've got these here, these few now, I've limited it down to a few, is purely because I like to keep up with what the crypto coins are doing and the manipulation that's being done with them. I like gold. I trade gold predominantly because it moves so well and so fast, and I know with this method I use, the 3-candle reversal and the momentum, any good momentum indicator will work. So don't get hung up on the particular indicator if you use RSI squiggly lines or stock squiggly lines. Just do your own statistics, and that's the point of this video. Let's get rid of the dragon. I like the dragon, but we don't need that for the sake of this. I've got a couple of vertical lines. This is 2:30 UK time, that's the US stock market open. Volatility comes in then. This move was created by news yesterday, I think. This is 6 AM, tend to be when I like to trade. The reason being the 4-hour charts switch over, not gold. Gold is an hour different by on my charts, at least anyway. But if the if the currency pairs, the major ones, change at H4, and H4 will cause most likely a pullback. So expect, you don't really want to be in the middle of a trade, a scalp trade especially, when that 4-hour currency candle changes. Quick word on that: I align my charts with the US session, so the US open and close is when my charts agree with, and most traders would say that is. And again, it's all just anecdotal stuff, but everything you've got, everything you need to trade, should I say, is on your charts. That's it. End of. Everything you need to trade, and that's the point of this video. Think outside the box. Keep it simple. It doesn't matter what chart you're looking at, they all move the same. You can specialize in one if you happen to like gold, or you happen to like one of the indices. Any one, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be one of these ones here. I just like these ones for the reasons I've given. So what you need to do, in my opinion, the best thing you can do is disregard 99.9% of the idiots on social media trying to flog you something. The only ones that are genuine, in my opinion, are the ones that are prepared to teach you one-to-one or in a group session with live charts in front of them, you know, like Wicks Don't Lie, Raja Banks. There are plenty of others as well, but make sure you do your own research and do your due diligence. You know, if anyone is trying to flog you anything trading related, indicators, books, ebooks, PDFs, just treat them as crooks, because they are scammers, in my opinion. One-to-one mentors, live traders, that's a different kettle of fish, so apologies to them. But all the other ones are just chancers and scammers. Sorry to be rough about that, but too many people are getting ripped off. This is why I came back onto social media, and quite frankly, it disgusts me. So my reason for coming on here was hopefully to make people open their eyes a little bit and avoid those scammers. So back to the charts. Every chart moves the same way. 2B reversals were life-changing for me because they taught me how price reacts to critical levels. Then I developed the 3-candle reversal for myself because I understood, or I was shown, how the 4 phases of a trend work. All of this you need to look at one of my or plenty of my 780, nearly 800 videos. Use the search facility properly. Twitter has thousands and thousands of different chart screenshots of trades taken, trades preempted, trades called before the event, possibilities. All of it's there. Develop your own strategy. There's probably about 10 or 12 different trading strategies I've talked about: pre-Frankfurt, Frankfurt, London, post-London, cable fix at 4 p.m, the stock market open, and then all the different other ones as well: weekly candles, H4 reversals, big candle reversals, you name it. We can trade it just by looking at our charts and making sure we trade with momentum. So the easiest way to learn how to devise, or easiest way to develop your own trading method, is just to get on the lower time frames, 5 minute, 1 minute. Some people like the tick charts, they drive me insane, but the price action, it proves to you that the price action, or proves to me, works in exactly the same way. I mean, look at this. This is all sideways, 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 messing about, and then look what happens when the momentum comes in. Huge momentum on here, and huge possibilities. That's the 3-candle reversal there. That massive red candle, that's the penultimate low, that's the ultimate low, or high low should I say. That is the reversal candle. There's the pullback to test old support broken as new resistance, and there's the continuation. Combine that with your bust down, that's the 3CR, through the 20, that should be an absolute alarm bell, and this was picked off the cuff. And then pullback and bust, pullback, break and close. So you need to break and close below the bust level, so the precise level on there. But I've made videos upon videos of this, so I'm not going to keep churning out videos just for the sake of it, because there's no need. It's all there. I'm just wasting my time. You know, there's a 3-candle reversal there, and there's power. There's a 3-candle reversal there, and there's power. There's a 3-candle reversal there, and there's power. So look at the other videos, use the search facility, guys. My whole intention, it was just to help you avoid the scammers, and it's got out of control. These social media, Reddits and Twitters and YouTube, should do something about it. They should police it. The other thing I can say is go to forums. Forums are self-policing. Frauds are outed instantly. Anyone trying to charge for anything is outed instantly. Forums like Baby Pips, Forex TSD, I think there used to be one called Elite something or other, there's Steve Hopwood's forums, they don't allow fraudsters to get in there, the scammers to get in there. They are doing stuff for free. Oh, Forex Factory, you know, search out these people, search out the genuine traders, and you know, you don't need to follow them, but they will always give you great advice, you know. But do your analysis on the charts. So work out, you know, on a gold chart, when you get a 3 candle reversal with momentum, do the statistical analysis, work out how far the average trade moves, work out where to put your stops. You know, I talk about stops on with regards to 3 candle reversals. Wicks don't lie. Raja does stops differently. They're great. You know, put your stops behind a candle on the relevant time frame. So if we're trading a 5-minute 3 candle reversal, then put your stop behind the 3CR as an arbitrary level. It's just arbitrary. Do your own stats. Work out where price often comes back to. I know it often comes back to test the support broken by the 3CR candle. So put your stops behind there. Vic used to talk about putting his stops above the top. You don't have to. Just put it safely above on a 5-minute chart. Obviously it's a big difference than trading an hourly chart, but put it above the support test in a short, plus your spread, of course. You know, only you can work out the strategy, do the statistical analysis, work out how many times it might hit 100 pip profit with a 10 pip stop, potential stop loss, or you know, how to place runners. If you devise your own system, then you know inside out how to work it yourselves. So sorry if this sounds a bit preachy, guys. This is about the 3rd or 4th take of this, so I've skipped over lots and lots of what I wanted to say, but it's been said 100 times in the 800 videos I've created, and you don't need the dragon on there to trade. If it helps, then use it. If it complicates matters, drop it. You don't have to use the 3CR. You could use the 2B reversal with the momentum. This, in my opinion, is priceless. I've also got the slope indicator. You know, I don't add these things willy-nilly. I add them because they complement everything else. They complement the dragon. They complement the 3CR. They complement the 2B reversal. They complement the momentum. You know, pivots. Taking them off my chart for the point of this point of this video. Keep it simple. But I love pivots because they give me additional targets. You know, I traded about 8 or 9 times yesterday just on gold, part-time, between all the other bits and pieces I do away from the charts. You know, we know this is going down. I do not want to be looking for longs. I just want to be looking for shorts. And how can I create my sort of test areas? Easy. You know, line charts now, priceless. I haven't really talked about the line chart 3CR, but you know, it's a subject for another video at some stage. But when I'm looking at this chart, I can clearly see where the critical levels are. That's a critical level because it's been tested multiple times. Here, here, over here, it's been used as a critical level. This is a critical level. So when I'm trading up or down, this is likely to be a good target. This is likely to be a good potential target for the down move. Some people don't like ascending and descending trend lines. Personally, I absolutely adore them. So why would I not use them if they have worked for 300 years? Why would I not? Don't reinvent the wheel, guys. Keep it as simple as you possibly can, and don't discount traditional methods of trading. You know, every touch point, all of these have created new lows. When it breaks out, when the buyers overwhelm the sellers, we want to be in that trade. How can I qualify that particular possible entry there? Use my momentum indicator of choice. RSI Histo, priceless, free. Don't pay for anything, guys. Every indicator I have added to my Twitter feed, in my opinion, is pretty much priceless, and every one of them is free. So I'm just taking a break. I might never come back. I might come back in the future. All I ever wanted to do was help you avoid the scammers, and there's more and more of them on there, and COVID-19 lockdown allowed me the time to do that. Now it's time to get back to normal. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful time, and you know, I would like to help everyone if I can. I think there's enough stuff on the internet now that I've produced to help you guys avoid wasting money and wasting your life learning stuff. Good luck and green pips, guys.